What's up YouTube? You're watching Shoe DIY, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to loosely lace your Air Max 90s. So getting straight into it with our laces, we're going to be taking the first part of the lace down through the outside first hole, bringing it up a little way into the shoe, and then I'm going to flatten the laces across to take the other side of the lace down the inside first hole, bringing it up a little way into the shoe, and at this point make sure that your laces are the same length as each other. Bring the tips together and pull up through the shoe. Just making sure that you uncrease anything that's got crease at the front, and then your laces should be the same length. So I'm going to take the outside lace first across the shoe, and we're going to go down through the inside second hole. So as we take it down through the shoe, you could catch the lace on your finger and make your first loop, which keeps it that nice loose look. Then we're going to take the inside lace, we're going to bring that across the shoe to the outside second hole, making sure as you go to flatten your laces as much as possible, and then pull your lace over, loop it on your finger, and you will again carry on with that nice loose look. So keeping that lace in your hand, bring it across the shoe and bring it down through the inside third hole. Then take the inside lace across the shoe and bring that down through the outside third hole. Keeping that lace in your hand, you're going to bring it across the shoe to the inside fourth hole. And then you're going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. And then at this point we can decide whether we're going to use the bit in the tongue here or not. I like to use it because it keeps the tongue nice and comfortable when you're wearing the shoe. So we're going to slide the lace through that part and then take it across the shoe to the inside fifth hole. So take it down through the hole, catch it on your finger. Then we're going to take the inside lace, bring that across the shoe. We're going to slide underneath the hole there, making sure it sits on top of the lace that's already in there. And then we're going to take it across the shoe and bring it down through the outside fifth hole. Then we're going to keep that lace in our hand and we're going to bring it across the shoe, take it across to the inside sixth hole. And then we're going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside sixth hole. And then to finish off, we're going to keep that lace in our hand, bring it across the shoe, and this time we're going to go out through the inside and last seventh hole. And then we're going to take the inside lace and we're going to bring that across the shoe and bring that out through the outside seventh hole. And then just check that your laces are the same length as each other. If you open up the shoe, as you go up and down, it just adds that nice loose look. And then once you've checked that your laces are the same length as each other, you have your left shoe loosely laced. Now let's move on to the right shoe. So with the right shoe, we're going to take our laces, and just like on the left shoe, I'm going to start with lacing down through the outside first hole, bringing that across the shoe, flatten it out. I always start with the outside hole, and then I know that between the two shoes, the laces are mirroring each other. So bring it up, and then again, to make sure that your laces are the same length, we pull up through the shoe. So bringing the outside lace across first, we're going to go down through the inside second hole, loop it on your finger, make sure it's not too tight, and then the inside lace is going to come across the shoe to the outside second hole. And you're going to hold that lace in your hand, bring it across the shoe and down through the inside third hole. I'm going to take the inside lace across the shoe and bring it down through the outside third hole. And keeping that lace in your hand, bring it across the shoe and down through the inside fourth hole. And then the inside lace is going to come across the shoe and go down through the outside fourth hole. And then we're going to pass the outside lace through the hole in the tongue and then bring it outside of the shoe and down through the inside fifth hole. And then the inside lace is going to pass through that hole. And then keeping it on top of the lace that's already in there, and then bring it around and down through the outside fifth hole. And then I'm going to keep that lace in my hand and I'm going to bring it across the shoe and down through the inside sixth hole. And then I'm going to take the inside lace, bring that across the shoe and down through the outside sixth hole. And then the final little bit, we're going to take the outside lace, bring it across the shoe, and this time we're going to take it out through the inside seventh hole. And then I'm going to take the inside lace across the shoe and bring it out through the outside seventh hole. And then again, I'm just going to open up the shoe so go down, which helps the laces to sit nice and loosely. And then check that the laces are coming out to just the amount that you want and they match your other shoe. And there you have your right foot loosely laced. I hope that was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and for the next tutorial, subscribe.